If you're looking to elevate your digital products and make them stand out in online marketplaces, then you're in the right place. My name is Ken and I'm a graphic designer with over 9 years of experience, and in this class, I'll teach you how to create professional, eye-catching digital product mockups using Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. But you might be wondering, why mockups? Mockups are the first thing potential customers see when browsing for digital products on a website, and a well-designed mockup can make the difference between a sale and a scroll past. Whether you're selling ebooks, software, or design templates, presenting your product in a realistic, engaging way is key to grabbing attention and driving sales. It shows professionalism. In this step-by-step class, we'll start by creating a mockup based template in Adobe Illustrator, which we'll then bring into Photoshop to complete the design. And by the time we finish, you will have learned how to design a base template from scratch in Adobe Illustrator, how to import that base template into Photoshop and create a realistic product mockup. I'll show you how to distort and fit your artwork seamlessly into the mockup to give it that perspective, that 3D perspective. I'll show you how to link Adobe Illustrator files to Photoshop for real-time updates and fast edits. In addition, I'll share useful tips and tricks to make your workflow much faster and smoother. Now, this class is perfect for anyone who creates downloadable digital assets and would like to sell or give them away. By the end, you will have a fully editable mockup that you can use to showcase your digital products, and you will gain the confidence to tackle other mockup projects in the future. You don't need any previous experience in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator because this is a step-by-step guide from start to finish. So if you're ready to take your digital product presentations to the next level, let's dive right in. And as we get started, in the next lesson, let's look at the project you'll be building throughout the class. I'll see you shortly.